The Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact is as good a movies and games machine as a 5-inch phone can be. Let's break it down. First, it has a good amount of storage. There's 64 GB, leaving you with tens of gigabytes to fill with games and non-streamed films. A microSD slot in the SIM tray lets you add cards of up to 400 GB. The Snapdragon 845 chipset is extremely powerful too. While even mid-range chipsets perform well with 1080 by 2160 screens like this, the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact gets rid of any slight frame rate hitches in high-end games. Asphalt 8 runs extremely well. For a small phone, the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact also has fairly good speakers. There's a front-facing driver right at the bottom of the screen's glass, and the earpiece works as a speaker too. It doesn't just output tinny treble either. Compared to most other small phones, the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact has thicker mids. This makes podcasts sound better. The speakers are not bass masters, though. Sound is decent, not exceptional. The limits of gaming and movie watching come down to the screen size. If you play games all the time or stream video on the way to work, it's worth considering a bigger phone like the Samsung Galaxy A8. But that phone is 5mm wider and almost 15mm longer. This highlights the odd contradiction of the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact. In many ways it's a phone for demanding phone users, but its main appeal also limits how enjoyable things like gaming and movie watching are.